Here's what you need to know about what is DHCP. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts from CompTIA Network, plus N10-009. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network plus exam. Let's get into it. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It automatically assigns IP addresses and other network settings to devices when they connect. Without DHCP, every device would need a manually configured IP address. Key concept: DORA process explained. DHCP uses 4 steps: discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. The client broadcasts a discover. The server responds with an offer, the client sends a request, and the server confirms with an acknowledge. Key concept: IP lease duration. DHCP does not permanently assign IPs. It leases them for a set time. When the lease expires, the device must renew or receive a new address. Key concept: what DHCP assigns. DHCP assigns more than just an IP address. It also provides the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server addresses automatically. Key concept: DHCP scope and pool. A DHCP scope is the range of IP addresses a server can hand out. Exclusions remove specific addresses from the pool, for example, to protect static IPs assigned to printers or servers. Let's look at the full breakdown. Discover. Client broadcasts on UDP port 67. Destination 255.255.255.255. Source IP 0.0.0.0. Offer: server proposes an IP address, includes lease time and options, sent via broadcast or unicast. Request: client accepts the offered IP. Broadcast to notify all servers, confirms which offer it accepted. Acknowledge: server confirms the lease, sends subnet mask, gateway DNS. Lease timer starts here. Renew: client renews at 50% of lease time, sends unicast request to server. Server replies with new acknowledge. Here's a real-world example. You walk into a coffee shop and connect your laptop to the Wi-Fi. Within seconds, your laptop has an IP address, a default gateway, and DNS servers, all without you typing anything. That is DHCP at work. The router runs a DHCP server that handed your laptop a leased address from its pool the moment you connected. Quick recap before you go. 1. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses, subnet masks, gateways, and DNS servers. 2. The DORA process, discover, offer, request, acknowledge, completes in milliseconds. 3. IPs are leased, not permanent. Clients renew at 50% of the lease time by default. 4. DHCP uses UDP ports 67, server, and 68, client. 5. A DHCP scope defines the pool of available addresses. Exclusions protect static IPs. That's what is DHCP. Covered. Exam tip: remember DORA for the 4 DHCP steps: discover, offer, request, acknowledge. Also memorize the ports. Server listens on UDP 67, client on UDP 68. Next up, what is DNS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New Network Plus topics drop every week.